Hey guys, welcome back. It's a beautiful day out here today in southern Illinois. Nice and cool, a little damp. What would we expect out of a Halloween day? It's Halloween day today, so it is really gorgeous outside. I was just out mowing the lawn, putting together some of our leaves and pine needles and all of that type of stuff, but I wanted to take you through a little project that we have planned. Let me turn around here so it's a little bit brighter, but got a project planned here in the backyard, just like all of us that have a lawn and garden that we're active in, and a garage that we use often. It fills up. So obviously from my last video, there's a little bit of organization that needs to happen on the garage space, but we do have plans to build a garden shed here in the back of our property. So it's really exciting. I know it's going to be something that is going to look nice. I want it to really fit with our landscape and not just be a run-of-the-mill shed. So let me kind of take you through what I'm thinking here. All right, hopefully you guys can hear me here. We got a little bit of a different mic setup, so hopefully this is going to improve our videos. But this space back here is all the way in the back corner of our lot and garden. We've got a neighbor here. This is our home, and our property comes down along these white pines here. As you can see, we just trimmed those up the other day, and they're looking nice and tidy. But this space back here, you can see I've kind of got it staked out here to kind of give a general idea, a feel of what it's going to look like. But I'm planning a 16 by 20 is what I'm thinking, and I'm going to leave well, let's put it like a little snapshot of what it looks like up here for you guys. But I'll leave a link to the plans that I'm thinking about below. But this looks like it's going to be a fantastic spot. I can already envision the landscaping around it, wrapping around to the pine trees, and it just sounds like it's going to be, something that's fantastic. So pretty excited about it. I'm going to take you along the way on the project. I'm going to build it all myself, and it's going to be something that I think is going to be really, really nice in the garden. But let me kind of show you what I have planned out here. So you can see we've got the stakes in the ground. I think the first video that we do here, we'll kind of talk about how to stake out your piece of property to make sure that you have everything laid out correctly and that type of thing. Of course, get your permits from your city and those sorts of things, because that's very important that you're legal. But got it all laid out here. Of course, going to be putting it in the ground with there's going to be six pylons that I'm going to dig out. So we'll have a post hole digger that will put some concrete in the ground and concrete in some 4x4s or 6x6s to kind of serve as the foundation. Let me know what you guys think of pouring a pier and setting the 4x4 or 6x6 on top of that, or just putting it all the way down in the hole and putting the concrete all around it. Would love your thoughts on that. But that's kind of what I'm thinking right now. Again, you'll have three supports on this side, 3 supports on this side, and this is kind of a side view. Looking at it this way, again, it's kind of hard to see these, but I've got them kind of painted out red or orange, so that you can kind of take a look at them. But that's how it will all lay out. As the plans that I stuck up there shows, there's going to be a man door here, a nice loft up here, and then on the side is going to be our access to get in with a much wider door. The plans show a double door. You could put a roll-up door. There's a number of options there, so we'll have to think about that. But we'll have to landscape this appropriately so that we can get in there nice and easily. And we do have a drainage downspout over here, right here. So I'm going to have to do something with that because it goes all the way down here when it rains really hard, and it'll actually drain right underneath of where the garden shed will go, and then it goes around these folks' shed. It goes down into the ditch. So we may have to run some drainage, I don't know, kind of get your opinion on that. But so that's kind of the thought at this time. Wanted to get your guys' thought. Wanted to get you guys' thought on the project. Have you built a garden shed in your property? What size did you go with? You know, finishing materials on the outside, thinking kind of siding, a cedar siding with cedar shakes, you know, to really hold up to the weather, but then maybe do some staining or painting. It's just kind of finishing type of things. I have lots of ideas in my head on what that may or may not look like, but really want to get your thoughts on, you know, if you guys have garden sheds in your gardens, you know, what did you do? You know, what did you enjoy? What did you learn in the building process that maybe you would do differently? But just wanted to bring you along, and stay tuned. Be sure to subscribe and give us a like on the video. Turn on the notification bell as always, and we really appreciate your support, and I hope to take you guys along the way on this project. So until next time, guys, thanks a lot. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.